In this guide, I will show how to improve a specific recommendation related to page speed optimization. A recommendation called Reduce Unused CSS. The recommendation can be seen in speed tests like Google Insights or GT Metrics. I will explain, step by step, how to handle the recommendation, and in addition, I will share a long list of values I built for myself as part of the speed optimizations I made to clients. A unique list that will prevent the site from breaking even though we will reduce a lot of loaded CSS. Hi, my name is Shai Toder, and I'm a page speed optimization expert and a 3-time winner in worldwide WordPress performance contests. I have an online course in which I teach site builders and SEO people how to improve the speed of the sites themselves and get high scores on mobile so that the sites will be beautiful and fast. Let's begin. We will first examine the recommendation in a speed test called Google Insights, to which I have attached a link at the bottom of the page. Then we will paste here the page URL we want to check and click on Analyze. Next, we will wait a few seconds and check the Reduce Unused CSS recommendation. After that, we can see the weight of the CSS, how much weight the tool assumes can be reduced and how long it will save. It is worth improving if the recommendation is read because it affects metrics like FCP and LCP. Several solutions on the market make it possible to reduce CSS use, such as WP Rocket, Perfmatters, Flying Press, Rapid Load, and Unused CSS. All of these solutions are paid. Some require using a remote server, which causes many problems because the server is sometimes blocked due to security, and the server is cluttered. Any changes made to the site cause the CSS reduction process not to be done immediately, which hurts the workflow. In this tutorial, I will show a solution that is both free and does not require a remote server. A solution that I personally use when I improve speed for clients. Another critical point is that all solutions are imperfect and may break the site, so it is necessary to help the tools and tell them not to disable CSS that we do need even though the tool thinks it should not. So, I attached to this guide a list of values that we do not want to cancel. This is a unique list of values that I built while improving sites. So far for this video. In the complete guide, I will show, step by step, the solution itself, and within minutes you too will be able to reduce unused CSS and improve scores easily, without breaking the site. Wishing you green grades and fast sites. Thank you.